it's so good to see you. Today, what I'm going to be showing you is something that is from my culture. Now in America, if you refer to somebody as colored, it has a negative connotation. But from where I'm from in South Africa, colored people are a community of people. So what I'm going to be making is a tuna salad. These are great for hors d'oeuvres or like a quick snack that you want to serve if somebody just pops by your house quickly for a visit. Whenever you go to any colored party, they always have little hors d'oeuvres, snacks like this type of thing. I'm gonna show you that. Let's get started. All right, let's get started, guys. All right, this recipe is really quick and simple. You just need to be prepared and have your prep game on point, all right? So here, all the measurements will be listed below. I'm going to be adding sweet corn, tomatoes, red bell pepper, cucumber, and some olives, and onion. This onion I chopped and then soaked to take some of the sting out of it. If you want to see how I did that, I'll link the other video to show you how I prepared my onions. I'm going to start with my tuna. This is just solid white tuna that was in water. We're just going to mix all of these together. So with this recipe, you can add, it's more to your taste. You can add as little or as much of these things as you'd like. If you think of something else that you want to add to it, you most certainly can. Something that's going to complement all of the flavors. To this, I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste. Everything here is from the grocery store, regular grocery store. Sweet chili sauce. And mayo. And last but not least, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon pepper. Once you have everything, just mix it thoroughly. Fresh, aromatic, light tuna salad. We'll plate it up. You can put it on crackers or maybe make a sandwich with it. Whatever your preference is.
Old school.
What is it?
It's like these.
This is really good, Mom. It's really good. It's like I haven't tried it before, but it's really good.